Hello everyone, this is your teacher. Welcome back to another remote adventure. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to answer the activity on Jamboard. So I posted in our Google Classroom an activity, and to answer that, you have to access this application here, Jamboard. Teacher, do I have to download the Jamboard app? No, dears, it's not necessary, okay? You can answer on your phones with no application. It's not necessary to use an application to answer this activity. But I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So this is the activity, Unscramble Challenge. Unscramble the letters to form words. What does it mean, teacher? It means that you're going to organize the letters, okay? You're going to organize the letters to form words. So let's take a look. So over here, we have an example, okay? We have a picture. The picture is a clue. It will help you answering the exercise. And you have to organize these letters to make this a normal word, okay? So persons, pay attention to a detail. To answer the activity, to move to the next words, you guys have to click here. You see on my screen? Click here, next frame. So you click here to keep answering your activities. You see? Click one more time. Okay, over here. On both your computers or your cell phones. By the end of the video, I will share with you a video that I did on my own cell phone screen. You guys can see that is the same principle. Okay, so you click here on the top arrow to move forward. See over here? And you guys will take a look at the picture and you will organize the letters to make words. Take a look over here. Look at this example. We have this picture here. What is it? How do I say this in English? In English, we say hands. So we will organize the pictures, the letters, to form the word hands. Okay? So you click here, you guys see? To organize and to make a valid, a real word. So over here, take a look at the spelling, okay? Check out the reference material, everything that we have studied, all right? To make a valid word. Oops, over here, you see? And then I'll just pull this to the side and pull down the letter D, and we have the word hands. So this is the principle of the activity. You will organize the letters to form a word. Okie dokie. Ask away if you have any questions. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye. Take care, my dears.